Hello dear student, how are you? I welcome you all in the today's session. Today is second part of time and work. Second part. Okay. In earlier lecture we have done 5 questions. Today we have to start from 6 question onward, and today also we discussed round about 5 questions. So start the session with the 6 question. Here is come. It says, sixth question says A and B can complete a piece of work in 10 and 15 days respectively. A and B start work together, and after 2 days, A left the work. Then calculate how many days work will be completed. So again we start in the same manner as we told you earlier. As I told you earlier, is A take 10 days, B take 15 days. So first we have to take LCM. Can take other number also, but LCM is convenient and we have to get our answer in short time now. So we don't discuss what number we have to take, just take LCM. Other number also we can take here, I told you earlier, but here the LCM comes out to be 5, 2, 3, 30. Okay, you have to remember the LCM also if you wish to crack the examination, because here the game is only of timing. You have to complete this question within a 10 to 30 seconds. Your efficiency comes out to be 3. B's efficiency comes out to be 2. So A and B, here question says A, B started together and after 2 days A left, means both work for 2 days with efficiency of 5. So they completed 10 unit work. So how much is left now? 30 minus 10 means 20 unit. And these 20 unit work is done by whom? A left means by B, and B's efficiency is 2 unit, means B take 10 days. 10 days and 2 days here. So total time equals to 10 plus 2, 12 days, and that is our answer. I will tell you other method also, which is shortcut basically. So second method, A and B. Okay, A work for 2 days and A, B both started. It means what? A is there for first day only and A is till there last, because work is completed by B only. So after 2 days A left, means A work with efficiency of 3, means A did 6 unit work. 30 minus 6 comes out to be 24 unit. So it says ki 24 unit work is done by B with the efficiency of 2, means in 12 days. Answer. Okay, here means our answer is 12. Let's check the answer. Yes, it is 12. Let's move to other question, 7th one. Just read the question first of all. A and B can complete a work in 10 and 15 days respectively. It says A and B start working together. It says A and B start working together A and B start working together, but after some time A left the whole work, and whole work is completed in 9 days. How much time A left? A left. Calculate करना how much time A left. Same. This we have to always remember. A complete in 10 days. B complete the same work in 15 days. Means both complete the work, and the total work is comes out to be 253. Again 30 unit work. A's efficiency comes out to be 3. B's efficiency comes out to be 2. So A and B started working together. A plus B A left the whole work, and the whole work will complete in 9 days. Means A and B start together. Okay, but after some time, we don't know after how many days. A left after some time, means B is there from starting till end, and whole work is completed in 9 days. 9 days with efficiency of 2, means 18 unit work is done by B. So the remaining work is 30 minus 18, 12 unit. This 12 unit work is done by whom? This 12 unit is done by A, means 12 upon 3 comes out to be how much? 4 days. So A, therefore A left after 4 days. Okay, I hope you all will understand. Just check answer. Yes, 4 days. Let's move to 8th question now. Eighth question says A and B can complete a work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. A and B started working together, but after some times B left the work, and whole work will complete in 16 days. Then calculate after how much. Similarly, A complete in 20 days, B complete in 30 days. We know LCM come out to be 60. 60 unit work. A's efficiency 3, B's efficiency 2. The whole work will complete in, we don't know after how many days B left. After some time we left, and A work for starting till end. Okay, and that is for 16 days. Okay, and A's efficiency is 3. This comes out to be 48 unit, means 60 minus 48 is 12 unit. So the remaining work, 12 unit work, means 12 unit work is done by B with efficiency of 2. Efficiency of B means B is left the work after 6 days. Means both work for 6 days, and after that 10 days A work alone, means 6. Okay, so 6 is the answer. Let's move. Yeah, 6. Let's move to next question. Question 9th. Let me change my ink first. A and B can complete a work in 20 days and 30 days respectively, and they started working together. But after some time, B left the work, and the rest work will complete by A in next 10 days. The language of the question is twisted here. So in the similar fashion, we proceed. A 20 days and B take 30 days. Total 60 unit. A and B started. B left the work and the rest. A and B both started, and after some time B left the work. Here both stopped, and after 10 days, then calculate, means here efficiency comes out to be 483, for B is 2. So how many? How much? A's efficiency is 3, means 30 unit. 60 minus 30, 30 unit work is left, done by both A and B. Means here the combined efficiency, both work for how many days? We have the work left is 30 unit, and now combined efficiency, thus this comes out to be 30 by 586 days. Means both work for 6 days together. Means A left after 6 days. B left after 6 days. Answer. Yes, the answer is 6. Check the answer. Yeah, it is 6. Okay, move to next question. These are different pattern of question, so understand is very understand. It says, question number 10 says, two men can build a wall in 15 and 20 hours respectively, but if they work together they use 20 brick less per hour and build a wall in 12 hours. Find the number of bricks in the wall. Here in question, making wall is not work, because definite parameter is not there na, ki, you have to build 2 meter then wall is completed, or 3 meter then wall is completed. Means making wall is not work. What is work here is number of bricks you are using to make the wall is work. Means work is number of bricks. So again, A completes certain work in 15 hours, B completes certain work in 20 hours. Okay, means built a wall, or that total work comes out to be how much? 5, 3, 4, 12, 60 units. 60 unit work, and the efficiency comes out to be, if A's efficiency is 4 bricks per hour, 3 bricks per hour. So according to question, A and B both take, A take 4 bricks per hour plus B take 3 bricks per hour. This efficiency of work is comes out to be 7 bricks per hour. This is there with which they can build. But what question says, the work is done total 60 in 12 hours, means they are taking 5 hours. So A plus B, in real it comes out to be 5 bricks per hour. This is real. Means they are not doing their work efficiently, and they are just stealing 2 unit work. 2 brick per hour is still by them, and this is equals to 280 according to question. Means 1 brick per hour equals to 140 bricks. Means 60 unit equals to 140. This comes out to be 8400. This is the number of bricks. Okay, let's check the answer first. Yeah, move to next question. And 11th is the similar, only digits are changed. So those who not understand, please understand here carefully. 2 men can build a wall in 9 hours and 10 hours respectively. But if they work together, they use 10 less bricks per hour and build a wall in 5 hours. Then find number of bricks together. Here we have to also find the number of bricks. So man A take 9 hours to build wall, and man B take 5 hours, 10 hours to build the wall. Means total work is 90 unit. Here efficiency is 10. Here efficiency is 9 bricks per hour. So A plus B, they both can do with efficiency of 19 bricks per hour. And according to question, their efficiency is 90 upon 5, which is 18 bricks per hour. So they can, but in real is 18. They are doing. So they are stealing 1 brick per hour work, which is equals to 10 bricks. So 90 unit work into 10 comes out to be 900. Means they are using 900 bricks. Just check the answer first. Yeah, it's 900 bricks. Okay. Thank you. Bye.